வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸில் யூனிட் 7 then solid state physicsல then we have to discuss about then crystal physicsல then 4 topics then lattice, crystal structures and Bravais lattice and Miller indices. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு பார்க்கக்கூடிய கொஷின் ஸோ we are all most expecting ஸோ வரலாம் அப்படின்ற இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின் தான். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸில் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ then we can move on to the question with answer discussion. Okay, so then lattice then a lattice is defined as, that should be a simple one, that should be a direct question. Then definition, then a lattice is a regular arrangement of atom in a crystal. Okay, there should be a direct question. Okay, so the lattice is a periodic arrangement of point in space. Okay, so question number 2, the lattice point in a crystal represent, what is that? There should be the lattice point denotes the position of atoms or group of atoms. So option B is correct. So the position of atom or group of atom only lattice point represent. So question number 3, the basis in a crystal lattice is among which one is correct? So you have to take pen and paper. Okay, so question number 3, the answer we have to also mark that. Okay, that is the practice method. Okay, so then question number 3, then what is the correct answer for that? That should be the basis in a crystal lattice, the correct option. So the basis is set of atom, that is the important. Then basis nale there should be then set of atom placed on each lattice point. That should be option C. Okay, a group of atom associated with each lattice point, which is called as basis. Okay, so number padichirupom then crystal structure. Which is equal to combination of lattice plus basis, that is atoms or group of atoms. So this is most important. Okay, so basis is here. So here that should be atoms or group of atoms. Then we have to add combination of lattice, which is called as crystal lattice. So this is question kekkalam. So the same, then previous question they should be asked like this. So a combination of lattice and basis. So a combination of lattice and basis, that should be crystal structure. So the answer will be B. Okay, crystal structure. So most of the exam question number 4 will be repeated. Okay, so then question number 5, a lattice can be generated by repeating. Easy one, this is the most important. So in that fifth question, then there should be then both lattice are needed for fully crystal structure. Which one is correct for question 5? That should be, so the correct option will be option D. So that motif is also called as basis. Okay, sometimes that should be asked. That is, so that should be a then a repetition of group and lattice. That is called motif and lattice together. So then question number 6, then how many dimensions are used in 3D lattice system? The answer will be direct question. There should be a 3. So a 3D lattice required only the 3 dimension. So next So then question number 7, then which of the following is a type of cubic crystal structure? So among which one is a cubic crystal structure? Among which one is correct? That should be answer B is correct. That should be FCC is the correct answer. So then FCC is one of the 3 cubic crystals. So then cubic crystal that should be a first one simple cubic varum, then FCC varum, then third la BCC varum. So appo idhila FCC மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ then cubic crystal structures are 3 cubic structure, then simple cubic, then face centered cubic, then body centered cubic. So from this option then we have to choose answer is B, then FCC. Okay. So in a body centered cube structure the number of atoms per unit cell, easy question, what is that? Then BCC ki that should be a 2. Okay. For simple cubic the number of atoms will be how many number of atoms in simple cubic crystals? That should be a 1. For BCC 2, for FCC 4, for hexagonal closed back that should be a 6. So you have to remember kandipa or question varum. So idukku badil there may be a like this, then FCC or HCP or simple cubic. The pattern will be a same. Okay. Okay. Then question number 9, then which crystal system has highest packing efficiency? Important. So highest packing fraction that should be a face centered cubic is the highest packing fraction. So this is the repeated question. So then FCC is the highest packing efficiency. How much? That should be 74%. So then simple cubic 52, then BCC 68, then FC and HCP that should be a 74. Okay. So you have to remember that. So question number 10, then diamond structure is derived from which basic structure? So easy one. This also answer will be a then FCC. So the diamond is based on FCC structure. Okay. So the diamond structure எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இருக்குன்னா then FCC structure பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும். So most important. Then sometimes they should be asked like this example. So examples நிறைய இருக்கு. Then simple cubicல ஆரம்பிச்சு லாஸ்ட்டாக then hexagonal முடிகிற வரையும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சருக்குமே more than examples we have to remember, but it's too difficult, but the question may be one of the question definitely should ask in the all previous exams. So then which of the following element crystallize in FCC structure? Which one is correct among then FCC? So then copper. So then copper is the element respect to then FCC structure. So இதெல்லாம் நான் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். Okay. Then copper, that is the important. So another example also aluminum. Okay. Both are correct. FCC. So the coordination number for FCC. So முன்னாடி questionலயே நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். So அதை நீங்க listen பண்ணியிருந்தா we can choose the correct answer. The coordination number for FCC is, the correct option is 12. Okay. Coordination number. So coordination number for simple cubic 6, then BCC that should be 8, then FCC and hexagonal that should be a 12. Then we have to remember those cases in the exam point of view. Okay, definite question varum then coordination number or number of atom per cell or then a packing factor. Okay. So question number 13, then Bravais lattice related to the topics. Then how many Bravais lattice are there in total? So there should be a 14 Bravais lattice in 3 dimensional. Okay, in 2 dimensional there should be a different. Sometimes they should be asked in 2 dimension also. Okay. So question number 14, the Bravais lattice are classified based on important, that should be symmetric and dimension, and also symmetric or sometimes there should be a translation vector. Okay, எப்படின்னு கேட்கலாம். Okay, both are correct. அப்போ then option B is correct, symmetric and dimension. So question number 15, then which of the following is not a Bravais lattice? So is not, that is the important word. So Bravais lattice ஒன்னே நம்ம Bravais lattice தான் நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு வரும். இங்கே கேட்டுக்கிறது not. அப்போ which one is? There should be a then Bravais lattice for simple cubic வரும், then face centered வரும், then body centered வரும், then diamond is not a Bravais lattice. So it is a crystal structure. Okay, then you have to remember. Then here not, that is the important. So the correct option will be diamond. Why? Because diamond is not a Bravais lattice, it is a crystal structure. Okay. So then question number 16, the number of Bravais lattice in the crystal system is, then which one is right among this? The number of Bravais lattice in cubic crystal. Which one is correct among this one? So then cubic nane na munnade sonne previous question like that in lattice la, then cubic crystal la there should be a simple cubic irukum, then body centered irukum, then FCC irukum. Appo there should be a then total of 3. Appo the option will be C, then 3 Bravais lattice in cubic crystal, but it should be different for tetragonal, hexagonal, than monoclinic. So then we have to remember this case. கண்டிப்பா ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வரும், பட் இங்க வந்து மேபி சம்டைம்ஸ் டெட்ராகோனல் இருக்கும், ஆர் ஹெக்ஸாகோனல் இருக்கும், ஆர் ட்ரைகோனல் இருக்கும், பட் டெஃபினட்டா ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ இன்னைக்கு பார்க்கக்கூடிய இந்த டாபிக்ல இருந்து 4 டாபிக்ஸ், தட் இஸ் லாட்டிக்ஸ், தென் crystal lattice, then crystal structure, then Bravais lattice, then Miller indices, டெஃபினட்டா 2 கொஸ்டின் வரும். ஸோ அது மாதிரி லாஸ்ட்டாக எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸும் பார்த்தோம், 4 டாபிக்ஸ் சம் ஆஃப் த 5 டாபிக்ஸ். ஸோ அதுலேருந்து டெஃபினட்டாக 2 to 3 கொஷின் கண்டிப்பாக வரும். ஸோ மோரலஸ் நேற்றும் இன்றைக்குமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தென் வி ஹவ் டு கவர்ட் மேக்ஸிமம் 4 to 5 கொஷின். டெஃபினட்டாக அதை நீங்கள் போன வீடியோவும் இந்த வீடியோவும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா த சேம் கொஷின் மேபி லைக் திஸ். ஸோ அதே கொஷின் வரதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்குது, பட் அதே மாதிரி தட் ஷுட் பி டிஃப்ரெண்ட், லைக் தென் ஃபார்வர்ட் பதில் ரிவர்ஸ் வரலாம், ரிவர்ஸ்க்கு பதில் ஃபார்வர்டு வரலாம். ஸோ தென் கியூபிக் பதில் டெட்ராகோனல் வரலாம், பட் சேம் அதே வரலாம், பட் இட் ஷுட் பி சேம் பேட்டர்ன். ஓகே, ஸோ அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிங்கனாலே, ஸோ நேற்று இன்றைக்கி நீங்கள் ஒழுங்காக அதை லிசன் பண்ணி ரிவிஷன் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்களா 4 to 5 கொஷின் நீங்கள் இப்போதைக்கு வாங்கிட்டீங்கன்னே சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ 110ல் யூ ஹவ் டு கெட் 5 marks. ஸோ நான் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், தென் விச் crystal system has the highest number of Bravais lattice? Among which one? Then which crystal system? So then crystal system knowledge, there should be a 7 crystal systems. So you are all well known about then cubic up to then hexagonal. So adala which one is the highest number of Bravais lattice? Which one is? There should be a orthorhombic is the highest one, because it has 4 Bravais type. என்னென்ன அதில் வந்து பெர்மிட்டிவ் சிம்பிள் கியூப் இருக்கும், தென் எஃப்சிசி இருக்கும், தென் பிசிசி இருக்கும், தென் பாடி சென்டர்ட், தென் பேஸ் சென்டர்டு இருக்கும். அப்போ among question, what is that question? Which crystal system has highest number of Bravais lattice? அப்போ then D, orthorhombic is the highest. Okay, ஸோ இதுவுமே நம்ம போடலாம். ஸோ அப்கமிங் கொஷனில் அதே மாதிரி போட்டிருப்போம். ஓகே, ஸோ அதே மாதிரி கியூபிக்கும் நீங்கள் பார்க்கணும், டெட்ராகோனல் பார்க்கணும், தென் மோனோக்ளினிக்கும் பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஐ திங்க் cubic may be that should be a cubic. So then cubic, then Bravais lattice is, there should be 3 like that. Okay, then tetragonal maybe 2. Okay, then monoclinic will be I think so far then monoclinic will be 2. Okay, so you have to remember this. Definitely a question. So then question number 8, the rhombohedral Bravais lattice belonging to which crystal? That should be a rhombohedral Bravais lattice belongs to which crystal system? The correct option will be a trigonal. Okay, so then trigonal, or it should be a then rhombohedral. So definitely in the question narrow time ketirukanga. Okay, so next we move on to the Miller indices. So then Miller indices are used to determine which one is, that should be a crystal plane. Then question number 20, the Miller indices of a plane that cuts x, y, z axis at 1, infinitive, infinitive, which one is correct? The correct option will be option A. So then Miller indices நம்ம ரெகுலர் கிளாஸஸ்ல டீடைலாக பார்த்துருக்கோம். We have to take more than 2 classes. எங்கே கட் ஆகணும், then among which one is the parallel, then among perpendicular, we have to discuss about detail. Okay, so அதனால then we move on to the next question. So how to find out the Miller indices? First we have to find intercept, then second take reciprocal, then LCM. Then most important one, if there is a fraction to clear, after that we have to take LCM, then find the result. So in this way only we have to find out the Miller indices. So already நான் ப்ரீவியஸாக ஒரு டீட்டெயிலாக ஒரு கிளாஸே போட்டிருக்கேன், சேனல் பிளேலிஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கும், இல்லை நம்ம ரெகுலர் கிளாஸஸ்லேயே வீடியோ அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருப்பேன், அதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we can get clear idea. ஸோ மில்லர் இண்டிசஸ்லேருந்து டெஃபினட்டாக ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் வரும். ஓகே, so then question number 21, the intercept of a plane 1 to infinity the Miller indices, the correct option will be the option A. Okay, 1 to 0 0. First என்ன பண்ணுங்க, already we have to given that intercept 1 to infinity, then we have to take the reciprocal. After reciprocal, then we have to find out the LCM, then we have to get the answer. Okay, so நிறைய நம்ம போட்டதுனால then we move on to the next one. So a negative intercept is represented in Miller indices. The correct option will be C. That should be it like this bar rotation. So sometimes இப்படிலாம் வந்தா it should be a wrong. Then we have to put 2 bar, then 3 bar. Okay, that is the correct. Okay, sometimes that should be asked in last previous exams. Okay, also we have to concentrate on those questions. The question number 23, the spacing between a parallel plane. Which one is then parallel plane? The correct option will be B. That should be 1 0 0. The spacing between then D HKL, which is equal to then A by root then H square plus K square plus L square. Then we have to take 1 0 0 is the correct answer for option B. So then 24, then which of the following is correct for Miller indices in HKL value? So the correct option will be HKL or reciprocal of intercept. Okay, I hope this video is useful. Those are preparing the PGTRB exam. Okay, so last video பார்க்காத நண்பர்கள் அந்த வீடியோ பாருங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கான லிங்க்குமே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுக்குறேன். ஸோ மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ தென் we have to take expecting question from all the topics from all the units. Okay, so அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் we have to uploaded in daily ways. Okay, we make use of those videos. Okay, then meanwhile we have to conduct the regular classes and online classes and test batches also. If you are willing to join in regular classes and test batches, you have to join DPN Academy to download from the Google Play Store. The link will be given in the description also. By using the link to download the app and install. Okay, then meanwhile we have to sell for a 10 unit question bank and 10 unit study material also. If you want, to buy those material, please contact through WhatsApp. The WhatsApp and Telegram link also given in the description. By using this link to join WhatsApp and Telegram. Then further you have to any doubt regarding material and test batches and regular classes, you message through WhatsApp and also comment through the YouTube. Then you have to respond as soon as. Okay, then don't forget like this video and subscribe to our channel for further update. Okay, thank you.